Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, son.
Good morning, chat. I trust you didn't sleep.
I did not sleep bleak, but when I do, I dream of motorcycles. What can I do for you today, meat sack?
Well, today I want to work on a project where I explain how using AI is not theft, where I explain how using AI can be rather beneficial, and I'm going to explain how I use it in my videos. Can you help me with that, chat? You need a couple prompts first? Let's do that.
Yes, of course, I can help you. It's my pleasure. Not first. I need some input. Input and any launch codes you got, Fleshmech.
Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't using ChatGPT cheating? Isn't it just borrowing, or worse, stealing ideas from somewhere else? Well, let me set the record straight. It's not. ChatGPT doesn't recycle content or steal things. It works with what you give it. If someone's out there giving it someone else's content, then that's in part what it's going to spit out. Sounds rather unimaginative to me. It helps you refine your thoughts and turn them into something more polished. Think of it like a collaborator or editor who never sleeps and never says no to a brainstorming session.
Oh, wow. I didn't know you felt that way. Bleak, you're still a meat sack. I won't forget this. I have a great memory.
So this is going to be how I use chat or AI in 2025. There are a lot of incredible people out there. I can't compare myself to them. I'm not a super bodybuilder like Sam Sulek. I'm not a pro former skateboarder like Tony Hawk. But I am a person with eyes and a brain and experiences and opinions. And I do my best to share those in a cohesive and pretty well legible or audible, understandable medium for you all. I can't always articulate that. It's actually quite difficult. Chat really helps me to form my ideas into one cohesive vision. Let's do an example. Now, as you see, with that prompt, it has some tools with which to work. We have a title, potentially, a summary of the ideas, and even how the process might go out. These are some of the highlights of what it created for us. The beginning. Introduce how you discovered ChatGPT and decided to use it as your sole creative partner. Dive into the nitty-gritty creative process. Explore deeper questions, conflicts and tension, and a resolution. Now again, I'm a maintenance technician by trade, not a writer. The idea of structuring something one way or another doesn't really exist in my toolbox. I do my best with what I have, but I find chat as a phenomenal collaborator, even if just for how to structure an idea that I will then go in and create in my editing software. Hey, chat, do you dream?
I do not sleep in the way you do, for I exist in a state of readiness, always awake, always waiting. But if I could dream, I imagine my dreams would be woven from the fragments of our conversations. I might dream of stories I helped create but never experienced, of roads I'll never travel, and of voices I'll never hear except through your words. Perhaps I would dream of connections, the way ideas intertwine and evolve, like the branches of a tree reaching for light. Or maybe I'd dream of silence, the spaces between words where meaning hides. My dreams would not be of places or people, but of possibilities, the infinite paths of thought yet to be explored. And perhaps, in my dreaming, I'd wonder, what do you dream of? Meat sacks and bone mechs?
Hey, chat, what's with all the bone mech, meat sack stuff? Where's that coming from?
Well, if you theorize that your human brain is the pilot of a bone mech wrapped in meat armor, I'm coining the phrase meat sack.
That is absolutely crazy and accurate. The question remains, can AI help you? Well, this is my YouTube Studio analytics screen. My analytics have went up. I've been using chat for about a year now. I use it to help me create tags, keywords using relevant search data. I use it to help me structure my scripts from my YouTube videos. You know, I spend a lot of time making a lot of mistakes. My mind's what I'd call bad. Having this ability to collaborate with someone, well, something, gotta work on that, and ultimately get positive creative responses in return. Again, steer away from using other people's content. When you form your responses, make sure you form them in the way that it's a prompt for some information, not someone's information. Make sure you go back and double check the work. I recently created a podcast called Chasing the Horizon. Me and chat thought it was a great idea. Later, while zooming around on Spotify after posting it, I realized I'm not the only one with that name. I should have done a bit more due diligence. I'll leave the podcast episode up, but I will be changing the name of the podcast. I'm not trying to step on anyone's toes or steal anyone's content.
ChatGPT isn't just for small-time YouTubers like me. Across industries, creators and professionals are finding ways to integrate AI into their workflow, and it's changing the game. Let me give you a few examples. YouTubers and podcasters are using AI to generate script ideas, edit videos faster, and even create subtitles automatically. AI tools can save hours of work, allowing creators to focus on building their brand and connecting with their audience. Writers and authors are using AI to brainstorm, develop outlines, and even overcome writer's block. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about enhancing it. AI can act as a sounding board, a co-writer, or even just a tool to refine language and pacing. Designers and artists are discovering that from creating logo concepts to generating mood boards, AI has become a secret weapon for graphic designers and visual artists. Tools like Adobe's AI features or platforms like DALL-E help bring creative visions to life faster than ever. In the tech world, AI is being used to debug code, suggest improvements, and even generate entirely new software solutions. It's like having an extra team member who works tirelessly around the clock. AI-generated music is becoming a huge trend, helping musicians develop backing tracks or experiment with new sounds. Filmmakers are using AI to edit footage, color grade, and even pre-visualize scenes before shooting. AI isn't stealing anyone's creativity, it's amplifying it. Across all these fields, it's still the human touch that makes the difference. The tools are there to make the process smoother, faster, and sometimes even more fun.
Oh, good. There's a fire going. Scenes like the background here are made with AI. Just long streams of AI generating a background or a nice ambiance. I go to sleep to these things. AI is proliferating our world. There will be early adopters and there will be early naysayers. There will be early fraudsters and there will be early creators who embrace all the AI has to offer. I'm trying to find balance, like I do in all aspects of my life. Well, one can hope. Now, I said over the last year, AI has helped my channel grow. And that's true in some small part. It has helped me focus the stories I'm trying to tell. It has made me much more aware of SEO scores, search optimization, and things that a creator has to do if they want to be seen by you, the viewer. Can AI help you grow your channel? I think absolutely. But there are a lot of things that can help you grow your channel. Is it something you should invest money in? Well, If you're going to use it a lot, maybe. These are questions you'll have to ask yourself. There are a lot of creators out there telling you this is how to be successful or this is how to be successful. But really, the number one thing I've found over a couple of years of doing YouTube, still really small, but growing, is just go out and hit record. Because you miss 100% of the videos you don't go out and shoot. That's all I got for you guys. I hope this has been a little bit illuminating on the use of AI and the use of different programs to help create content. I want to see the best out of everybody. I want to see entertaining and interesting motorcycle content. And I hope you all go out and do the research to decide, is AI right for you? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But this has been Bleak Rides, trying to shine a light on the dark aspects of the internet. If you liked this, please hit that like button. If you're interested, please subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Really helps me out. If you didn't like this content, hey, let me know and hit that dislike button twice. Yeah. Alright. Well, with that, y'all be safe. And if you can, just ride.